In 1972, Strand Hardware, founded by Brian Jolly, opened its doors for the first time. It was originally named Peel Street Hardware after its location in Port Elizabeth and occupied a mere 160 square meters. In 1995, the business moved to Strand Street and was renamed Strand Hardware. Over the years, the business grew steadily and moved to larger premises 3 times. What began as a retail operation then evolved into 3 sectors: wholesale and retail, the board center, and the service department. The introduction of a web presence in 2006 added a new dimension to the business and showed Strand Hardware's eagerness to expand and serve customers as efficiently as possible. In 2013, Brian Jolly handed over the reins to Stuart Kyle, who purchased the business with the intention to grow, and grow. And today, our legacy of building lasting relationships with our customers has seen Strand Hardware grow into a leading name in the industry. We are the trusted supplier and wholesaler of a wide range of hardware products: woodworking machinery, power tools, epoxy resins, abrasives, adhesives, accessories, and day-to-day hardware. We also supply chipboard and allied materials, which we cut and edge to the customer specifications. We are a proudly South African company and currently operate as a BEE Level 2 contributor. For over 45 years, Strand Hardware has gathered a wealth of knowledge and experience, ensuring that we offer our customers trusted value. Through honesty, integrity, and passion, we believe that we can provide the right products and advice for the best possible solutions to suit your needs and budget. At Strand Hardware, we value relationships with each other, with our families, and with our customers, allowing our staff to live balanced lives while bringing our customers the best products, advice, and customer service. We offer a wide range of trusted brands and services in-house. Our vision is to be known as a destination hardware store that's trusted for the best hardware solutions, with specialist woodworking expertise, offering competitive prices with reliable and honest advice. A place where people feel welcome and their specific needs and requirements are heard and understood. Our passionate staff offer friendly service, backed by a wealth of technical knowledge and skill to provide sound, reliable advice to our customers. We live by our values of honesty, integrity, and passion, and will continue to grow as a business through our lasting relationships with our valued customers. Strand Hardware. Trusted value.